Here are 25 moments. If they were not filmed, no one would believe it. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. This game had a nail-biting end when Anthony Davis hit a sensational last-second three-pointer to win the game for the Lakers.
Foul to give. Jokic trying to disrupt Rondo. He puts it in. Here's Davis, 4-3 in the win. Oh, it's good! Anthony Davis for the Lakers!
Playing defense. That's why Jokic did a great job getting the hand up, but that was Plumlee's man coming off the screen.
This cat is the superhero. We all need to watch how it managed to save a child's life when it stopped the child from falling down the stairs, as if it was her kitten. He later stood in front of the stairs like it was guarding and protecting the child. A few guys got very lucky and knew what they are doing when they managed to escape unscathed by staying very still after an encounter with the wild bear. Two drunk guys were imitating Conor McGregor and carrying out a fake fight on the streets when the actual star drove past them. Alexandra Trusova pulled off an amazing ice skating routine. A sports commentator had a sigh of relief when he managed to narrowly miss a puck coming straight toward his face at full speed.
First period. Tonight we really go inside the glass, presented by Toyota.
This video might suggest a possible glitch in the matrix when a styrofoam box managed to hop right back into the back of a truck after it had fallen out. Not once but twice. Bowler Ben Catola rolled 12 strikes in 86.9 seconds to set a new record for the fastest 300 points in bowling.
Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yes! On time!
A helping hand is always appreciated, and the entire team came out to help the grounds crew when bad weather interrupted the match.
Right here, see that? It can carry a human. In fact,
see the rain, the wind, picking it up, and the rain on top of the tarp is being thrown all over the place toward the guys at the end of first base.
Yeah, there's a guy underneath. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here comes McCutchen and Rodriguez and get him out of there. Remember the grounds.
Train windows in Singapore automatically blind themselves while going through residential areas to keep everyone's privacy intact. A neat and handy feature of a public train. A biker tried to make his failed routine look cool by trying to walk it off by doing this. A motorbike rider stalled at the start of the race, causing all the bikes to pile up. Why this astonishing stunt carried out by a water skier? Look at how a Guinness World Record was set for the quickest time it took for a car wheelie to cover over 1 mile. The record was set at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Desperate times called for desperate measures for this new mother when she was forced to deliver her newborn baby in the parking lot of a building. A stunning view of a cyclone slowly creeping toward a city had us on the edge of our seats until it did this. This rare view of kangaroos hopping around in fresh snow in Australia makes it look like something right out of a sci-fi movie. Why this girl do an amazing routine using roller skates? This mother sunk a half-court shot perfectly, winning herself nearly a half a year's worth of tuition money for her children. A guy sets a world record for the fastest cup stacking sequence in exactly 5 seconds. Why this guy pull off one of the craziest stunts you will ever see when he jumps off a hill on a couch which was being pulled by 2 parachutes. These guys managed to score a basket but with a little twist. A stray ball came flying over the fence from a neighbor's yard and hit the parked mower, destroying everything in its path. For a quick second, this bullfighter turned into the star of an action movie when he managed to pull off this acrobatic move to save someone. Pilot managed to land his jet safely without the help of the landing gears when it malfunctioned. Despite the sparks of flame, all the passengers on board were safe. What started as a normal day for a pedestrian turned into something bizarre real quick when a cat landed on top of his head and knocked him unconscious. On top of that, a dog in boots walked up to him and did this. This fighter used an underhanded move when he faked getting hit, only to surprise his opponent with a quick jab to knock him out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.